Is a mutual fund investment could be a missing opportunity? Let's find out. Mutual fund have become a popular investment choice among the middle class, offering convincing in diversification and professional management. And many investors maintain a portfolio with 10 or more mutual funds, allocating among a range of 1000 and 1500 per fund. While strategy appear, it may not always yield optimum result. Let's explore why over diversification in mutual funds could be a missing opportunity and alternative investments like PMS and AIF could offer better returns. First, we will discuss the diversification dilemma. In mutual funds, provide a diversification with each fund typically holding a 80 to 40 stock range across 8 to 9 sectors. SEBI guideline ensuring additional safety limits like investing in a single stocks to 10% or less, exposure to the single sector maximum up to 20%. However, over diversification owing too many funds can dilute the impact of a high performing stocks and sectors. The approach becomes especially limiting in market driven by the sector growth rather than the board based rally. For example, in 2020 bull market fueled by the pharma, IT and FMCG sector. And recently we saw a witness of strong performance in a PSU stocks, chemicals and automobiles. Okay, these are the main reason that we can see that sector performance are very important. In another, if we check out the reality check in a mutual fund returns over the last decade, mutual funds have provided average annualized return of 18 to 20% with the best performer fund delivered 30 to 35%. They often lag behind the management investment products. Is PMS and AIF superior alternatives? Let's see. PMS and AIF products have gained a traction of their ability to deliver a superb returns. Unlike mutual funds, these are actively managed by the experienced fund manager with flexibility, like focus in high convincing bets, just allocating a dynamic based on the market conditions. For instance, some PMS portfolio have a reported annualized return of 35 and 50% over the past 5 years. Okay, we can say PMS and alternative investment plans does very well, but there are some key considerations we should know before while investing or go through the PMS and AIF. While PMS and AIF investment can offer a superior returns, but they come with certain obligations like minimum investment required for PMS is minimum of to 50 lakhs. AIF require a minimum investment of 1 CR. Also, you can give it in a EMI phase in a AIF, but there are some boundaries. If you do not have a level of corpus but been investing consistently in mutual fund for past 10 years and have built a substantial portfolio, we can assist you in optimizing your investment for better growth. Okay, as an investment on block, what we are offering at the investment on block, we are providing access to top performing PMS and AI product our platform offerings. Like you can go through our website, you will get a PMS and AIF column where you will get a historical presence data of comparing PMS returns. Advisory services guide you selecting a right investment product. Portal where you can log in with your Google account or your mobile number. Using sign up, you will receive a callback and WhatsApp assistant from our experts. So let's conclude it. Final thoughts over the diversification in mutual fund can limit your portfolio growth potential. By exploring PMS AIF opportunity, you can tap into a broader range of investment opportunity tailored to your goals. Visit our website to access our portal, compare funds, explore your advisory services, maximize your wealth, invest smart, not harder. Thank you very much. Investment on Block.